He's not going to be my father, but he's going to have my father in him. He's not going to be me, but he's going to have me. He has already stood firm to tell everybody this is Made, Kuti, and the movement. So this is with his first album even. It took me years. Yeah, look. My life was miserable. And to find my feet in such chaos, because my father was huge. Now he has a huge grandfather, huge father, and then to find himself immediately, that's beautiful.
I first saw my dad's nomination for Global Music Performance. I was very happy about that. When I saw mine in the Global Music category, album category, it blew my mind. I was on the tour bus in Belgium, and I remember just running around telling everybody, whoa, you know. So I was happy.